Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's not difficult to make, all you have to know are only two rows. Only two rows, repeat always those two rows. It's ideal for a baby blanket. It's very nice as you can see. Hope that you try it. You start by making the chains. Chains you have to make multiples of 4, so chains multiples of 4. Then you make a treble in every chain that you have. So first you start chains multiples of 4, then a treble or double crochet, how you call it, in every chain that you have. Now we start the next row. We make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to make 3 trebles in the same place when we made the chain. 1, 2, and 3. Now we skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. We'll go in the 4th one and we make a double crochet or single crochet, how you call it. Another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And we make another 3 trebles in the same place. 1, 2, and 3. Again we skip 1, 2, 3. We go in the 4th one, single crochet or double crochet. Another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And 3 trebles in the same place. 1, 2, and 3. And you continue like that. You go in the 4th one, 1, 2, 3, 4. You make a single crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And you continue like you did here. The row is ready. We're at the edge. Here we go, and we have 4, 1, 2, 3 in the 4th one here, and we finish with a single crochet or double crochet. Now we're going to start the next row. We start with 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We turn the work around. We'll go here where we made the chains and we make a single crochet or double crochet. 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go in the next one, single crochet or double crochet. Another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go here and we do the same. Another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're at the edge here. We go here and we finish with a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Now we start again with 3 chains. We're going to do again the first, this row here, 3 chains. Here we make 3 trebles in the same place. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going here on this one, on the single crochet. We make a single crochet or double crochet. Another 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. And another 3 trebles here. We're repeating what we did. 1, 2, and 3. We go in the next one here, single crochet or double crochet. Another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And another 3 trebles in the same place. And you continue all the row like that. 1, 2, and 3. You continue all the row like that. You go here, single crochet, then I show you how to finish it. We are at the edge here. We go in the 3rd one, 1, 2, 3 here, and we finish with a single crochet. Again, 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to repeat the other row. We go here where we made the chains, single crochet, 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You go here, single crochet or double crochet, and you repeat. So as I told you, these 2 rows, always you have to repeat these 2 rows. You make this row, then you repeat this one. Always repeating the same 2 rows. This is the final result, how the stitch comes. As you have seen, it was not difficult to make, only repeating those 2 rows that I showed you. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.